Here are some changes to script steps in the new FileMaker 18 platform. Be sure to check out the description for links to all of the new feature videos and the free course at Productive Computing University for all the videos in one place. Although they are kind of minor changes, you may want to be aware of some of them in case you are using them or about to use them. First is Open My Apps. If we look in 17 in the script steps, when we type open, we can see Open My Apps is right here, opens the My Apps window. If we switch over to 18 and type open, we don't see the Open My Apps like we do in 17, but we do have one called Open Favorites, and this one is not in 17. So it's the same script step, just changed names. This is the same modification for the Upload to FileMaker Server script step. In 17, if we type in upload, we can see the Upload to FileMaker Server, which opens the Upload to FileMaker Server dialog box. In 18, if we type in upload, the script step is now open Upload to Host. And notice that they are both in the open menu item location categorically. The same thing goes for the Open Favorites versus Open My Apps. The Insert from URL script step has a few more additions. Supported URL protocols now include SMB, SMTP, SMTPS, LDAP, and LDAPs. Sending email via SMTP is now supported via curl with the addition of the mail auth, mail from, and mail receipt options. This includes sending email in HTML format. In addition, requesting uncompressed responses from a server is now supported via the no compressed curl option. And when the curl library returns an error, the return data is now stored in the target if the target is a text field or a text variable. Just below that is the Open Help modification. This script step is no longer supported in FileMaker WebDirect because FileMaker WebDirect no longer includes help. And then lastly, the Convert File script step. For supported file formats, this script step now supports using any row in the source file as field names in the converted file, choosing which fields to import and specifying a target table name. This shouldn't be a surprise since they improved the whole import process. And those are your miscellaneous change script steps. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out the description for links to other new feature videos for FileMaker 18 and the free course at Productive Computing University for all of the videos in one place, as well as other courses to enhance your skills as a FileMaker developer.